Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case in which the share capital of the assessee as an investment into another assessee was reduced because of the heavy losses in the investee company, and the assessee has claimed capital loss on that reduction of capital and accordingly set off that loss with the capital gain on the other investments. The issue before the tribunal was that whether this capital reduction is a transfer under section 2 clause 47 and accordingly the capital gain can be calculated under section 145. This issue has been taken up by Mumbai ITAT E-Bench in the case of Tata Sons Limited versus Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 115 ITR Tribunal, page number 272, and the date of the judgment is 28th January 2024. In the present case, the assessee was a huge shareholder in TTSL and having 288.13 crore shares in TTSL. There were very huge losses in TTSL, and due to that losses and to finance those losses and to cover up those losses, a meeting with the shareholders of TTSL was held, and in that meeting it was held that the huge capital reduction will be done, and accordingly the capital reduction was done, and the assessee accordingly calculated the capital loss on this capital reduction and then set off this capital loss with other long-term capital gain of the assessee. When the assessment proceedings were going on, this matter was brought to the knowledge of the assessing officer, and the assessing officer admitted that whatever the capital reduction was there, that was transferred under section 2 clause 47, and the assessee was entitled to calculate the capital loss, and accordingly he is entitled to set off that capital loss with the other gains. When the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax examined this case, he initiated the revision proceedings on the basis that the order is erroneous and prejudicial to the revenue, and he was of the opinion that in the present case, since no consideration has been received by the assessee, so section 48 is not applicable and capital gain cannot be calculated. He was of the considered view that in the present case, this is not the case of the capital reduction of the shares, but it is an effacement of the entire shares. According to the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax, there is no extinguishment of rights in the present case, and he was of the opinion that in the present case the consideration received is nil and not zero. So he directed the assessing officer to pass a fresh order. The Principal Commissioner of Income Tax was also of the opinion that the assessing officer in another company has disallowed this loss, so in this case also the loss should be disallowed. When this matter came before the tribunal said that in the present case, the reduction in the share capital of the assessee is an extinguishment of rights, and it is a transfer according to section 2 clause 47 of the Income Tax Act 1961, and the assessee is accordingly fully eligible to calculate its capital loss or capital gain according to section 45 and 48 of the Income Tax Act. So, meaning thereby that the assessee is also entitled to set off that loss with the long-term capital gain of the other investments or other assets. The tribunal also said that in the present case, the learned assessing officer has taken a possible view that it is a capital loss, it is a transfer, and in that case, since the assessing officer has taken a possible view, then in that case, the assessment order cannot be said to be erroneous, and the assessing officer has rightly allowed the assessee the capital loss. So, from the case, it is very apparent that the reduction in share capital is a transfer and capital gain can be calculated accordingly. At the end of this video, once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Tata Sons Limited versus Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 115 ITR Tribunal at page number 272, and the date of the judgment is 28th January 2024, and the matter has been decided by Mumbai ITAT E-Bench. Thank you, friends.